Pottery newbie, don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So this is my studio. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. It's actually the mechanical room. I've got a bunch of place for the tools and stuff like that. I got my furnace and my water heater. So really, the pottery side of this is only taking up a small piece. So here's what we did. I've got my workbench over here. I'm using this for wedging and for working and finishing pots. And I'm using the pegs here to hang some tools, but also some pottery equipment. I've got my wheel over here, and I'll talk about that in a separate video. And then I'm drying my pots on these racks, and so sort of as this making more of these, I've got kind of other racks that I'm gonna free up. Now I do have a sink down here. I got this sink from a neighbor. He had thrown it away, so I pulled it off the street and fixed it up. And then I've got some old lighting that I've wired up here so I can have some good light. So it's really not a lot. It's I don't think I even have a stool. I'm just using a bucket. The other thing I really like, I had this foam flooring left from a project I did for the home gym, and I went ahead and brought that in. It's really, really, really nice. I'm really glad I had it laying around. It's much easier to walk on and super easy to clean, much better than concrete. But that's really it. I mean, there's no there's no windows here. There's really not a ton of space to move around, but it's more than enough for what I need. Hey folks, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm going to post a bunch of videos describing each part of the studio, and I'll post some throwing videos. And if you have any tips or tricks or advice, please share, and thanks again for watching.